YouTube, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Aiden from H&L Kicks bringing you another video. Today I'm restoring some of my favorite Jordans of all time, the cool gray 11s that came out in 2010. Can't believe it's about to be 10 years. And the Concord 11s that came out in 2011. If you want to see these come back to life, please stay to the end. We will leave a link in the description if you guys are interested in the products that we used. We used Raleigh's Restoration's ice cream on the soles. It'll get you right every time, I promise you. Thank you guys for watching until the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Shout out to my boy Donovan for supplying both the cool gray 11s and the Concords. Appreciate you, brother. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We're having a giveaway at 500 subscribers. And follow us on IG at Hess and Lawson. Link down in the description. Show us some love. Appreciate you guys.